Namaste everyone. I'm Rohini Vaidya from Sri Gurukul. The school is the place that prepares children for a good tomorrow. The school is certainly a sacred place where the education is imparted to make a nation smart and civilized, stronger and developed for tomorrow. As we all know that our Sri Gurukul is always one step ahead, we even took these hard days a lively one. We made the children active even at home. We have conducted online English speech competition on 16th August 2020. Here is the feast for our ears, the speech of our winners. Let us hear and indulge in their exciting speech about Independence Day.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Okay, now you can start your speech.
Yes, Guruji. Namaste. I am Revati from Grade 2 Sri Gurukul. I am here to talk about how can I serve my motherland. I love and respect my motherland India as I love and respect my mother. It is the responsibility of each and everyone to take care of our motherland. Here are few responsibilities of mine to take care of our motherland. Keep our country clean. Let's treat our country as our own and keep it clean always. We should not throw garbages on the road. We should dump it only when garbage collectors come. Contribute in making a healthy nation. Let's be healthy and keep our country healthy. Let's practice yoga every day and keep ourselves healthy. Utilize our talent. Let's use our talent in helping others. Let us educate any needy person and make his or her life brighter. By sharing our knowledge, control the pollution. Let's plant trees and make our environment healthy and safe to live in. Spread love and happiness. Let's treat our country people as our family. Let's be happy and keep others also happy. Let's never let down our motherland as we never let down our mother, and also keep them proud. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Wow, really, Revati, you are very much talented. The way you pronounced each word, that was so impressive. Seriously, you stop now. I'm waiting for more, Revati. Okay, that much very nice voice, that boldness is there in your voice, and the way you're expressing that, it's very good, Revati. In the small age, you're a big dhamaka. Okay, it is very good, Revati. Keep on going, Revati. Very good. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Got independence as a result of combined effort of non-cooperation movements, agitations and bloodshed of the people of Indian subcontinent. Indians lost their children, parents, properties and their own life in the fight for independence. Indians were tortured in the form of heavy taxes for the crops they grew. Natural resources were looted and Indians were treated like slaves due to their dark skin. Today, by understanding the history of our motherland, we have to take pledge to safeguard our country and its independence so that we do not lose it again. I, Samashanbu, pledge to respect all fellow citizens of our country and irrespective of their caste, color, and occupation and financial status. Respect all elders and follow their words. Protect public properties. Follow traffic rules. Keep my health good and motivate others. abide by all the rules and regulations of our country, gain knowledge and share the same, not to waste food, conserve water and energy at all times, respect nature and support conservation activities. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jai
Very
Hind.
good, Samar. Very good, Samar. Very good. You have given a very good speech, and you have given a lot of information also. And the way you just executed, no? So it was very nice, Samar. The way you gave the speech, no? It was very nice and it was very interesting also. Very good, Samar. Keep it up. Namaste.
Guruji, thank you, Guruji.
Namaste Guruji and everybody. I am studying in grade 3. I am speaking about freedom means to me. Freedom is the people have the opportunity to speak and act so that it pursue happiness. It is principle that support freedom of an individual or a community to express their choice. Freedom of people are as follows. Freedom of choice means an individual right to do their own opportunity and decisions and ownership of their own way. Freedom of movement means person or people can take their own need-based movement for freedom. Freedom of speech. It means every individual having their own freedom to speak and write things. Freedom of speech is the right of people to express their opinions. Freedom is the power or right to act, speak without interference. Freedom means to me is being able to do many things without being forced into doing anything. Conclusion. We are lucky to be in a society of freedom. Just remember, we are the land of the post and the home of the brave. Thank you.
Very good, Charit. Very good try. You have given a very good speech, Charit. Keep it up. Namaste, Charit.
Namaste Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. I am Sri Siddhesh from grade 5, Sri Gurukul. My topic is what freedom means to me. On the occasion of Independence Day, I would like to thank all fighters who fought for the freedom. Technically, freedom means the power of right to act, speak or think as once without hindrance. What freedom means to me is not being judged by what I do or what I say. I can decide what I want to be when I grow up. It is an amazing thing what I want. It is an amazing thing. At 11 years old, I am able to have an education, draw, paint, etc. Having freedom is enough to make me happy. Because a lot of people in other countries don't have freedom, which we have taken for granted. At last, I would like to thank all brave men and women who fought for who risked their lives to get us our freedom. Thank you.
Very good, Sri Siddhesh. You have a good voice and you have given a very good speech, Sri Siddhesh. No, don't worry about any other issues, okay? You just go on with what you have, okay? Very good, Sri Siddhesh. Very good attempt. Keep it up. Namaste.
Guruji, I am telling about my motherland.
Okay.
My name is Sri Lakshmi. I am telling about my motherland. My greatest service to my motherland will be to become fully educated and do the things by which my mother's name and fame will be raised up, to make it clean and green by planting trees and putting garbage into our bins, is to make all people rich. So can they stand on their legs? Make it clean. Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah, Sri Lakshmi, you have given a very good idea for us and very good thought to us, and you have taught us to keep our environment clean. It is a very good thought. Thank you for that, Sri Lakshmi. It is a very good try. Namaste.
Namaste. Yes. Myself is from Sri Gurukul School of grade 9. My topic is on how can I serve my motherland. There is a historic word. Ask not what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. According to this statement, we should not think about the rights and facilities we get from our nation. Instead, we should think about our duties and responsibilities towards our motherland. Everyone should contribute in some way for the motherland. We can serve our motherland in many ways. The word serve means anything such as service or being servant towards our motherland and its citizens for the betterment of our society and nation. Everyone can help or serve his or her motherland from their own place by doing different things, primarily by obeying the rules and orders of the nation, by paying the taxes, by maintaining the social peace and harmony, by helping the senior citizens, by protecting the natural resources, by reducing the use of plastic in our daily life for the sake of environment, by saving the electricity and water, by protecting the public property, by maintaining the cleanliness, by planting the trees, and etc. There is a saying, today's children are tomorrow's citizens. According to this statement, I will prove myself as the best citizens of India. As a student, I will serve my nation by being skilled manpower needed for the nation. I should read as best as I can. I should try to gain a lot of knowledge during my student life, which might helpful to shape beautiful career in different fields such as nursing, teaching, engineering, etc., which not only helpful to me to live a comfortable life, but I automatically serve my nation being required infrastructure or skilled manpower needed for nation's development. India is my motherland. I enrich its prosperity. I gave the greatest service to it. I can give my love, my labor, my patriotism and my devotion to my motherland. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Yeah, it's very good, my dear. Even though you have stopped in the middle, you just did not leave. You just tried your level best to complete it fully. That is a very good part I have seen from you. It is very good. Well, go. Okay, namaste.
Thank you, Guruji.
Namaste. Myself, Purna Chandra. I'm studying in grade 6. I'm from Sri Gurukul. My topic is how can I serve to my motherland? India is my motherland. My country is famous for its rich culture and tradition. My greatest service to my motherland is to become educated and literate and to do the things by which my motherland's name and fame are raised up. My goal is to become IAS officer because I want to show my leadership skills and guide others towards a unified goal of development and betterment of people of my country. Many poor kids move here and there. It's my wish to see them getting good education and earning their life and make them all to stand on their own legs. I want my country to be clean and green by planting trees and putting putting garbage into dustbins and providing free food for poor peoples, as they will become healthy in future. And my wish is to start medical checkups in free in schools. Thank you for giving this opportunity to participate in this competition.
Very good, Purnachandra. You are having really a very good thought. I appreciate that thought, Purnachandra. I wish and I pray to God that you should fulfill all your wishes. Okay? It's a very good speech given by you. I appreciate you. Keep on going, Purnachandra. Namaste.
Myself Sinchanapi from grade 9 from Sri Gurukul. Now I am here to say the topic, how can we serve in our motherland? India is my motherland. Bharat Mata ki jai. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. Firstly, my greatest service to my motherland will be to become a fully educated, and literacy and education is the main important in this society. So the things by which motherland name and fame will be raised up. So, and even to make it clean by green planting also is a good habit for keeping our environment clean, and putting garbages into bins to make the other people to reach, and we have to avoid the poverty level. Also, in make a clean increase in the giving protection for women, and also to remove the corruption and people who are using black work like a politicians by making the money and doing the things which are not useful to our people, to give all opportunities to make it there are two types, upper and lower class, in that to make India clean. Mr. Narendra Modi has launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and to keep our surrounding green, and we can make India clean by providing milk to poor children, and free education are all provided by the Modi nowadays. And we are increasing the little by little, and we also think that our India should be less money and very poor in our country, because our politicians are using the things that are taking the money, they are not helping the poor people. This is the reason why we are in poverty. Poverty has been increasing in India nowadays. So India, my first aim will be to remove the poverty. I want to rise India in the global form as the superpower. My wish is to remove the corruption from the nation. And then lastly, I can serve the country by saying every paisa that I turn, little drop also make a water in the ocean. Like that, we also save money and help the people who are poor. So like this, we can serve our motherland. Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, Sinchana, it is a very good point you have told to us about saving and about corruption and everything.
Namaste, Guruji. My topic is what freedom means to me. What freedom means to me? Freedom is something that everybody has heard of, but if you ask for its meaning, then everyone will give you different meaning. This is so because everyone has a different opinion about freedom. For some, freedom means the freedom of going anywhere they like. For some, it means to speak up from themselves, and for some, it is liberty of doing anything they like. The real meaning of freedom, according to books, is freedom refers to a state of independence where you can do what you like without any restriction by anyone. Moreover, freedom can be called a state of mind where you have the right and freedom of doing what you can think of. Also, you can feel freedom from within. India is a country which was earlier ruled by Britisher, and to get rid of these rulers, India fight back and earn their freedom. But during this long fight, many people lost their lives, and because of the sacrifice of those people and every citizen of the country, India is a free country and the world's largest democracy in the world. Moreover, after independence, India became one of those countries who give its citizens some freedom right without an restrictions. Namaste. Thank you.
Very good, Mokshita. It is a very good speech. Very good.
Thank you, Guruji.
Oh wow, what an impressive speech the children gave us. Now it's time to distribute the medals for the children. Here comes Revati KP of grade 2 who has got first prize. Next is Samar Shanbok of grade 5 who has also got first prize. The distribution of second prize, Purna Chandra of grade 6, Shri Siddesh of grade 5, Shri Lakshmi of grade 5, Mokshida of grade 6. Now it is a turn for the third prize winners. Charit Naik from grade 2, it's Vismaya of grade 9, Sinchana of grade 9. Congratulations, my dear children. Hope we could see more students to participate in the upcoming competitions. Namaste.